Brand Major, Metric Maths Made Easy YouTube channel. We're still on the Most Fundamental Algebra, number 6, almost there. So, what happens when you multiply a binomial by a trinomial? But this trinomial is special. That is a squared minus the product of a.b. plus b squared. Multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. You know each term must multiply all the other ones. So you take the first term in the binomial and multiply the ones in the trinomial. A times a squared minus ab plus b squared plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. What you get, a times a squared is a cubed, a times negative ab is negative a squared b, a times b squared is positive ab squared, b times a squared is plus a squared b, b times negative ab is negative ab squared, b times b squared is plus b cubed. And then you do the usual, you do for the similar terms. So a squared b, a squared b, they cancel each other. A squared b minus a squared b is 0. And then we've got ab squared minus ab squared, they also cancel each other. So we remain with a cubed plus b cubed on the right hand side. On the left hand side, you've got a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. You know the story, you need to memorize this. And then we call this sum of cubes. Sum of cubes. Yeah, so how to memorize the sum of cubes? See, a plus b cubed, yeah, a plus b, and then we got a squared, we got b squared, but the middle term is actually the product with a negative sign, negative ab squared. But as I say, we are multiplying here, when we're going from left to right, we are finding a product, we are simplifying, yeah. But what happens when you factorize? So when you factorize, you come from the right now, but we write the right on the left hand side. Factorize a cubed plus b cubed. You get the same product, a plus b times the first term squared minus their product minus ab plus the second term squared. So we memorize both, going to the right and going to the left. But know the difference, that when you go to the right, you are simplifying, when you go to the left, you are multiplying. Please like and subscribe and share with others. Thank you.